I thought it was just another quiet night. But that night, I vanished without a trace. No one knows who took me or why. My family searched endlessly, but I was gone forever. My name is Elizabeth Andes, and this is the story of my last hours. It was December 28th, 1978, just one day after Christmas. Oxford, Ohio was quiet under a layer of winter frost. I had just graduated from Miami University a few days earlier. I was 23. That night, I came back to my apartment after spending the holidays with my family. I called my mom around 6:30 p.m. She said I sounded happy, tired, but content. I told her I'd talk to her tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Hours later, my boyfriend, Bob, claimed he found me. He said he walked into my apartment and saw me lying there lifeless, strangled, beaten, left on my bedroom floor like I didn't matter. He called the police, but his story didn't make sense. He was the last one to see me alive, and the first to find my body. He even confessed, and then just days later, he took it back. No forced entry, no signs of struggle outside, and still they let him go. The police thought it was simple. A young woman found dead in her own apartment. No forced entry, no sign of a struggle outside the bedroom. To them, it had to be someone I knew, and it was. They questioned Bob Young, my boyfriend. He said he came over to check on me, found the door unlocked, and discovered my body. Then something strange happened. After just 6 hours of questioning, Bob confessed. He said he killed me during an argument. The case was closed. At least that's what they thought. But then he recanted. He said he was confused, pressured, scared. He claimed he didn't do it. And the confession? It wasn't recorded. No physical evidence linked him to my murder. No blood, no fingerprints, nothing. And yet, I was gone and he was free. In court, his lawyers painted me as emotional, unstable. The jury listened and acquitted him in under 4 hours. Just like that, I was silenced again. No justice. No answers. Just questions. After Bob walked free, the silence was deafening. No retrial. No new suspects. Just cold air and colder justice. But people talked. They whispered about what really happened that night, about whether Bob's confession was real or rehearsed. Some believed he snapped in a moment of rage. Others thought someone else had been there, someone the police never even questioned. There was talk of a neighbor, a strange man seen lurking near my building weeks before. But no fingerprints, no surveillance, no follow-up. Years passed. Then decades. In 2017, 2 investigative journalists reopened my case. They dug through the files, the tapes, the testimonies. And what they found was disturbing. The police ignored leads. Bob's confession was full of inconsistencies. Even the timeline didn't match. And yet, no one ever looked further. I became a closed file in a locked drawer. Just another forgotten victim. But the truth? It never dies. It just waits for someone to listen. They buried me before the truth, before justice, before peace. But I'm still here, in the quiet halls of that apartment, in the pages of old case files, in the voices of those who never stopped asking why. I was only 23. I had dreams, plans. I was someone's daughter, someone's friend, and maybe, to him, I was just someone to silence. But not anymore, because you're hearing me now. You're remembering my name. My name is Elizabeth Andes, and these were my final 24 hours. Don't let them be forgotten.